Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to convert an image to black and white in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Look at the Layers panel. Click the half-filled circle icon at the bottom. Choose Black and White. Photoshop adds a black and white adjustment layer. Now, look at the Properties panel. Adjust the color sliders. Each slider controls how bright that color becomes in black and white. For example, raise reds to brighten skin tones. Lower blues to darken skies. Why this matters? You control contrast instead of losing detail. This looks better than simple desaturation. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.